Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market update dated the 8th of August, 2023. The Indian benchmark indices erased some of the previous session's gains to end lower after a volatile session on August 8, as investors turned cautious ahead of the Reserve Bank of India policy outcome and release of important data later in the week. At close, the Sensex was down 106.98 points, or 0.16%. At 65,846.50, and the NIFTY was down 26.50 points, or 0.14%, at 19,570.80. Adani Enterprises, Power Grid Corporation, and Hindalco Industries were the top NIFTY losers, while gainers were Hero MotoCorp, SBI Life Insurance, and Cipla. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of HPL Electric and Power were locked at the 5% upper circuit on August 8, after the company entered into a deal with the West Bengal State Electricity Distribution Company Limited for the deployment of an advanced metering infrastructure project. The AMI project will be funded by the World Bank and will be executed in coordination with WBSEDCL. This project will connect approximately 5 lakh consumers in Kolkata, and the gross value of this project is 416.84 rupees crore, the company said. Monte Carlo Limited shares slumped 12% in the morning trade on August 8, after the company's losses widened to 11 rupees crore in the June quarter from 3.9 rupees crore in the year-ago quarter. The company reported a net profit of 19.8 rupees crore in the March quarter. The apparel brand's revenue from operations increased 22%. To 139 rupees crore from the corresponding quarter of the last fiscal, as the cost of raw materials dipped marginally. Jupiter Wagons hit upper circuit at 5% on strong earnings, management outlook. Jupiter Wagons Q1 result, consolidated net profit jumped almost five-fold to 62.85 rupees crore, from 12.81 rupees crore in the corresponding period last year. Revenue jumped 155% year-on-year to 753.19 rupees crore, while margin also expanded. Shares of GENUS Power Infrastructures traded more than 4% higher to scale a 52-week high of 195.75 rupees in the early hours of August 8, after company bagged an order worth 2,209.84 rupees crore. A wholly owned subsidiary of GENUS Power Infrastructures has received the letter of award of 2,209.84 rupees crore, net of tax, for appointment of advanced metering infrastructure service provider, including design of AMI system with supply, installation and commissioning of 21.77 lakh smart prepaid meters, on design, build, finance, own, operate, transfer basis under revamped distribution sector scheme. Shares of OLECTRA GREENTECH Limited nosedived over 5% on August 8, after the company reported a 23% decline in revenue from operations to 216 rupees crore in April to June quarter. Despite a reduction in top line, the electric bus manufacturer posted an 8.7% increase in net profit to 18 rupees crore on the back of strong operating performance. Shares of TORRENT Pharmaceuticals rose over 2% in early trade on August 8, to hit a 52-week high of 2,094.55 rupees, a day after the company reported healthy earnings for the April-June quarter. Following the earnings announcement, brokerages also rolled out a strong growth outlook for the drug maker, which further lifted sentiment. Shares of TORRENT Pharmaceuticals rose over 2% in early trade on August 8, to hit a 52-week high of 2,094.55 rupees, a day after the company reported healthy earnings for the April-June quarter. Following the earnings announcement, brokerages also rolled out a strong growth outlook for the drug maker, which further lifted sentiment. Shares of GLAND Pharma shot up 20%, and were locked in the upper circuit at 1,611.05 rupees on August 8. After brokerages forecasted a recovery in the drug maker's base business for the quarters ahead following the release of its April-June earnings, GLAND Pharma reported a 41% increase in revenue for the April-June quarter, which brokerages see as an early sign of revival in its base business. Sambhav Media in daily time frame is trading around 4.20 points with a change of 20%, and is trading with a net volume of around 1.57 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 3, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 82.19. GLAND Pharma in daily time frame is trading around 1611 points with a change of 20%, and is trading with a net volume of around 5.99 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 1360, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 87.84. Banco Products in daily time frame is trading around 400.95 points with a change of 19.99%, and is trading with a net volume of around 3.23 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 301, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 79.09. For stocks to watch, we have Vedanta looks good on current market price of 240. It can be bought at 242 rupees, keeping target of 249 rupees with stop loss of 233. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.